Login failed on ASB Securities Fix. You sit down to log into ASB Securities, ready to make your next trade, but then the screen flashes login failed. It's one of the most common and frustrating issues investors face. But here's the surprising truth. In nearly all cases, it's not a serious problem and can be fixed in just a few minutes. Start by checking your login details. ASB Securities requires your username and password exactly as set, no shortcuts. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off and there are no extra spaces before or after your input. If you're copying and pasting your credentials, try typing them manually instead. If your password truly isn't working, click Forgot Password. ASB will email you a secure reset link. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. After resetting, log in again using the new credentials. Next, confirm that your internet connection is stable. ASB's login system may block attempts from certain networks, especially public Wi-Fi or VNet, to keep your data secure. Switch to your home Wi-Fi or mobile data and try again. If you're accessing ASB Securities through a browser, cached data can cause login loops. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can instantly fix this. Then, open the official ASB Securities site directly, not through a saved bookmark, and try logging in again. Mobile users should ensure the app is up to date. Outdated app versions can trigger login errors after a new system update. Visit your app store, download the latest version, and restart your phone before logging in. Sometimes ASB runs short maintenance windows for updates. During that time, login attempts will fail even with the correct details. Waiting a few minutes usually solves the issue. So, if your ASB Securities login fails, don't panic, it's rarely a big problem. Most of the time, a quick password reset, connection check, or browser refresh fixes it. Once you're back in, you can continue monitoring markets and managing your investments without missing a beat.